Good morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. This is a move the great big bed video because we wanted to take it off that wall and put it on this wall. And I thought that it was going to be a real backbreaker. I got two strong guys with me, but one of them had an idea about those slider things. So that's this little slider thing. They cost like $1 a piece maybe. They're really cheap and they're slidey. They're slippery on one side like some plastic, and they're grippy on the other side with some rubbery material. So we stuck 3 on each side, little one in the middle there, and we're just sliding this thing on the wall-to-wall carpet instead of lifting it at all. All we did was one man lifted up each corner while the other stuck it underneath. So I'll bet you that there's 3 of us here. I'm going to stay on the camera, and I bet the 2 guys here can move it a little bit more. It's already 3/4 of the way there. So let's see what happens here. Okay, here we go. This is just 2 guys on it. I'm trying to keep their faces out for privacy reasons, but they're moving it, just sliding it on the sliders. And that bed is a big king size, is it? California king size. Plus it's got all that storage underneath. So it weighs, easily, I would say, couple hundred, between 200 to 300 maybe, with all that mattress still on top of it. And look at that. It's just pretty darn easy when you think about it ahead of time and use those slider things. So instead of breaking your back, if you have a job like this to do, here's your quick, easy, simple, safe way to move a big piece of furniture around, okay? Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. If you want notifications, ring the bell. Be safe. Have fun. Happy New Year coming up. See ya.